uthatha abantwana bakho uyaba abantwana bakho yabatshe uthi la uhlala nabo phansi uthi la sikholelwa kulokho bayifunde kuwe into enikholelwa lapha endlini so that ni establish indaba ka-one accord because ungayikholelwa into uthola ukuthi abantwana bakho bakhola into different ihambe into kamoya. Kugulwe la endlini kuxatshanwe kungabi nepeace ucabanga ukuthi into yakade hayi hambe into kamoya because into kamoya ilakhona khona angazi ngifike kanjani mara into kamoya iprevaila la ekhona one accord. That's why in the book of Acts last week since the demonstration we've got about 10 places in the entire